In this lecture, we study simple manipulations of discrete time signals. Manipulations are nothing but different operations that we can perform on discrete time signal. When signal undergoes many manipulations involve both independent and dependent variable. That means when we perform various operations, to perform these operations, independent and dependent variable are involved in these operations. Some manipulations include transformations and representation of signal. Transformations, there are three transformations: shifting the signal, folding the signal, and scaling the signal. Shifting is nothing but the original signal is shifted with amount of time. If a signal xn is given as diagram as shown in the diagram by triangle, then it is shifted with some amount, that is capital T, on time axis. The shifted signal is xn minus k if k is positive, or xn plus k if k is negative. But in real time, advancing the signal in the time axis is not always possible. Folding is one of the operations in which the independent variable n is replaced by minus n. This results in folding the signal about origin, that is n is equal to 0. Folding is also known as reflection of the signal about n is equal to 0. Yn is equal to x minus n. Folding is also applicable in various image processing procedures such as edge detection. As shown in the diagram, if the given signal is Sn, after folding it will be exactly the mirror image of Sn signal by replacing positive value by negative and negative value by positive values. Last transformation is time scaling, where n is replaced by kn and k is integer. This process is called as downsampling. For discrete time signal, xn is equal to xnt. After scaling, it will be xknt. If k value is, for example, 0.5 and n value is 5, original n value is 5, so 5 into 5 is 2.5. So signal, we can easily say that the signal is reduced. But if k value is greater, if k value is 2 and the original signal n value is 5, so 5 into 2 is 10. That means original signal 5 has become now 10. In this way, we have seen three different transformations or manipulations, that is shifting, folding and scaling. Thank you for listening.